Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable gardening. This is a journey where we explore how to create a garden that not only looks beautiful, but also supports the environment. A garden is more than just plants, it's a delicate ecosystem that thrives on balance. Every plant, insect, and microorganism plays a crucial role in maintaining this harmony. Every choice we make, from the seeds we sow to the way we water, can either nourish or deplete this web of life. By choosing eco-friendly seeds and mindful watering practices, we can make a positive impact. Together, we will learn how to reduce waste, conserve water, and use eco-friendly materials. Composting organic waste and harvesting rainwater are just a few ways we can contribute to a sustainable garden. Let's create a garden that flourishes in harmony with the natural world. By working together, we can cultivate a space that is not only beautiful but also beneficial for the planet. Our first step on this journey is composting. It's a simple yet powerful way to recycle organic waste and enrich our gardens. Composting transforms kitchen scraps and garden waste into a rich, fertile treasure trove for our plants. By composting, we reduce landfill waste and create a sustainable cycle of growth. Imagine a banana peel finding new life in our compost bin. Instead of rotting in a landfill, it becomes part of a nutrient-rich mixture. Alongside leaves, coffee grounds, and other organic matter, it undergoes a remarkable transformation. These diverse materials blend together, creating a balanced compost. Tiny microorganisms break down these materials into their simplest forms. This decomposition process is nature's way of recycling nutrients. Worms and insects work together in this miraculous transformation. They aerate the compost and speed up the breakdown of organic matter. The result? A dark, crumbly, earthy-smelling substance known as compost. This is the gold of the gardening world. This nutrient-rich material improves soil structure and boosts water retention. It helps plants grow stronger and more resilient. It's the lifeblood of a healthy garden, providing essential nutrients to our plants. By composting, we contribute to a greener, more sustainable world. Next, we explore the precious resource of water, a vital element that sustains all life on Earth. Rainwater harvesting captures the essence of the sky for our gardens, turning every drop into a valuable resource. From a simple rain barrel to a complex network of pipes, the principle remains the same: collect, store, and use. Every drop of rainwater is a precious commodity, free from chemicals and pollutants, making it ideal for our plants. By harnessing rainwater, we reduce reliance on municipal supplies, conserve energy, and prevent harmful runoff that can erode soil and carry pollutants into waterways. It's a gift from the clouds that our plants will reward with vigorous growth, vibrant blooms, and a healthier ecosystem overall. Let's venture into the realm of native plants. These plants are perfectly suited to our local environment. They provide food and shelter to a dazzling array of insects, birds, and animals. By incorporating native plants, we create a haven for wildlife. It's a sanctuary for creatures that contribute to the health of our planet. Now, we encounter pollinators like bees, butterflies, and bats. These winged wonders play a vital role in the web of life. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden invites these vital creatures into our lives. Plant a diversity of flowering plants to provide a year-round feast. Avoid pesticides and provide nesting sites to enhance their habitat. Support their essential role in the ecosystem. In our quest for a sustainable garden, we turn to organic practices. Organic gardening works with nature, not against it. Beneficial insects and companion planting help maintain a healthy balance. Organic fertilizers improve soil structure and promote healthy plant growth. Embrace organic practices to create a productive and wildlife-friendly garden. As we conclude our journey, I hope you feel inspired to embrace these practices. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Create gardens that are beautiful and beneficial to the environment. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Happy gardening!